Hey there, I'm Christina Grace, and today I had an idea to turn some Rolex crowns into some unisex studs. I am cutting this little sheet of 14 karat gold solder into pallions that I will use to solder the posts onto the earrings I'm making. I'm painting some flux onto the backs of these studs where I'm going to solder them because it keeps the metal clean and it helps the solder flow. And here we go, the finished product. The Rolex crown from the watch, molded, cast, and soldered to make one badass pair of Rolex crown earrings.